just at a Blamble height. This is a knockdown rebuild, so was an existing house. We've bulldozed that and put this new one up. So you can see it's quite a steep site, but got fantastic views overlooking the Tweed River. We've got nice big windows everywhere. We've had to use a combination of concrete slab at the front here for the garage or the parking, and then it just flows seamlessly into the elevated floor system. So you can see the join here. We'll have a look upstairs. So it's an upside down house. It's got a living area on the upper level. It's a nice big open plan. It's got a raked ceiling, a skillion roof with a high top. And you can see that it all flows out here. So it's not a huge house, but it's got a good use of space. This is the master bedroom on the top corner here. It's also got the best views of the whole house. This is using a combination of different materials. It is in a bushfire zone as well, but certainly a fantastic location. There'll be a staircase that comes up here to connect the upper and lower levels.